This is Eva. Nice to see you again. Now I'm standing in our Pontoon factory. Today I will show you our Pontoon detail. Please follow me. At my left side, here are house boots with you. Those are 6-meter size house boots. And the first large one is 11.5 meters house boots. My dear, for dessert, we also supposed to pipeline. This one are Pontoon, and the first four boots are standard Pontoon. So this is rubber thunder and the standard 2 Pontoon. Different color scheme, also different material. And the next one, our upgrade Pontoon. You can check the listing. It's different. And here is a triple Pontoon boat. So we can also find here is the upgrade details for the short. It's straight and it's short too. It can hold water. And also you can hold a bigger horsepower motor for this boat to get high speed. This is the order and last one. Get different straight color. Here is the order for dealer. And as you can see, it's the most popular this color combination for Australia. And see. Here is the option color for that. Sequence step 4. And we have another option. The brown color and EVA pattern for sequence 4. And those are put in manufacturing. If you like an enclosed door with the windows and door.